Hi, my name is Roshan Rajendra Revankar. I am from Karwar and I have completed my bachelor's degree B.C.A from Shivaji Arts Commerce and B.C.A College Karwar in the year 2024. After my completion of B.C.A, I was looking out for a job in IT field. I couldn't find IT jobs. After that, I got to know about Evision Technoserve, which provides job oriented job course uh, which which they get placed in a period of 45 days. In 45 days job guaranteed program, I joined Evision Technoserve. After joining Evision Technoserve, within 45 days I got placed in LENOVO Bangalore. Their trainings provided me with lot of skills including CCNA, Linux, cyber security, uh, and after completion of all the courses, they conducted the mock interviews, which helped me with a lot of communication skills, which helped me gather confidence and give my interview. Thank you.